everybody. Today we are going to do chapter 20, Locating a Place. My name is Rahul. I live in Delhi. In the morning I go to school. I go straight and then turn right. In the evening I go to the market. To reach the market I have to go straight and then turn left. So children, this chapter is about locating a place with the help of the direction. As you have already seen in these four lines, it this chapter is talking about left, right, straight. These left, right and straight are nothing but the direction to reach a particular place. In this it is showing that this boy named Rahul, he starts from the home in the morning, he turns right and so he reaches the school, and in the evening he again starts straight from the house, turns left and he reaches the market. Do you know a map is drawn on a piece of paper to show the major places? Only small pictures can be drawn on the paper. These pictures are known as symbols. We can locate a place very easily with the help of symbols on the map. So what is map? Map is something that is drawn on a piece of paper. All these drawings, small little pictures that are drawn on the map, are known as symbols, and these symbols help us to reach the place where we want to reach, like the symbol of a temple, the symbol of a school, the symbol of a railway station or a hospital. It helps you to reach the respective places by following the map. We Colony maps are usually displayed at the entrance of a colony. With the help of this map, you can locate any place easily in the colony. As you already know that the colony are very big places. There are a huge number of houses and flats in a colony. So a person going there for the first time would be very difficult for him to locate a particular flat or a house out of so many houses and flats. So a colony map is always provided at the entrance, so that the person can easily reach the designated place or the flat. Directions. We use directions to find our way or to guide someone to find his or her way. So directions are used for what? Directions are used to find our way or also to help someone to find their way in order to reach a particular place or a destination. There are four important directions: east, west, north and south. So there are four directions in all: east, west, north and south. There is an easy way to find these directions with the help of the sun. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Wake up in the morning and stand facing the rising sun. Okay, so now we know that there are four directions: east, west, north and south. We can easily find where this direction lie with the help of the sun, as we already know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So when we wake up in the morning and stand facing the sun, it means that we are looking in the direction east direction, and to our back is the west. The direction in which you see the sun is the east. Behind you is the west. Now stretch your arms sideways. On your left is the north, on your right is the south. So get up in the morning, stand facing the sun. When you stand facing the sun, you are able to locate the direction east. Now at your back is the west. To your left would be north and to your right would be south. So this is how we locate the direction. The direction, yes. Now stretch your arms sideways. On your left is the north, on your right is the south. So this is how we locate the four directions. The direction in which we can see the sun early in the morning is the east direction. To our back is the west. When we open our arms and stretch it, to our left would be north and to our right will be south. We use direction to locate places in our neighborhood. So directions are very helpful. They not only help us to locate the various directions like east, west, and north and south, but the various places in our neighborhood. Even if we go in the new city, it will help us to locate the places. Now we have come to the end of this chapter. Now let's do the exercise. The sun rises in the, yes, west, east, or north? The answer is east. The sun sets in the, options are east, south, or west. Yes, the correct answer is west. We can locate any place in our colony with the help of a colony map, a ruler, or the sun. We will be able to locate any place in the colony with the help of the colony map. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. What can you learn from it? Number A, regularity. Number B, kindness. Or number C, helping others. Yeah, we can learn regularity from this habit of the sun. It regularly rises in the east and sets in the west. Now fill in the blanks. There are 4 important directions: east, west, north, and south. A map is drawn on a piece of paper. We use dash to locate places in the neighborhood. We use directions to locate places in the neighborhood. What do we use to guide someone on the road? To guide someone on the road, we use directions. You can find this answer on page number 78 in the last line of the page over here. Okay, so now let's get back to question number 2. Name the 4 directions. The 4 directions are east, west, north, and south. You can find this answer on page number 79 in the first line itself. Okay. Question number 3. From which direction does the sun rises? The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. What are symbols? Symbols, you can find this answer on page number 78. To show the major places, only small pictures can be drawn on the paper. These pictures are known as symbols. Symbols help us to locate the place easily on the map. Okay, so now what you have understood in this chapter? We have understood directions. Directions help us to locate a place. There are 4 major directions: east, west, north, and south. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When we stand facing the sun, we are looking in the east direction, and to our back is the west direction. To our left is the north, and to our south is the and to our right is the south direction. Now let's do this one. Which activity? Let's go about doing the activity. On each dotted line, write the name of the character whose picture is in the north. 4 main characters has been drawn over here. The character of a Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, and Tom. Let's see which direction are they in. So to the east, to the north, number 1, to the north is the Spider-Man. Yes, see, to the north is the Spider-Man. To the south is Tom. To the east is Batman. And to the west is the Superman. So now we have come to the end of the chapter and done the exercises as well. So children, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.